Hey, what's up guys, it's Tutunet back with another video of Gangsta Vegas, and today I'm gonna be doing how long can I survive with in a military base with 5-star and with an angle level 1, and I give myself a bulletproof and I have a bulletproof vest. So let's get straight to the video and start my timer in 3, 2, 1, go. What are you doing? Guys, so I got bulletproof. Let's go, we're surviving already. How long can I survive? What? Guys, if I blow up the ironers with the handgun level 1, you have to drop a like on this video. You have to drop a like on this video. Do it right now. Do and subscribe. Please subscribe if I blow it up with an handgun level 1. This iron's got some bodyguards. Now let's go up. They're still following me. Let's go down there. Guys, I might stop the timer for a sec because I need to get more health packs. So a bulletproof vest. So guys, let's stop the timer for a second and go back to my shop, my inventory, and get some more health packs. We're only getting health packs now. No bulletproof vest, just health pack. And see, so we're gonna see how long we can survive. So let's get the whole thing. We get just health packs. So start the guys, this is getting interesting. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. Please support my channel. Please, guys, support my channel. Subscribe and drop a like. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I only have one health pack left. Health kit. Oh my god. They're not even giving up. Oh my god. So guys, this is how long I survived for. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe right now. Go subscribe, support the channel, guys. Please support my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and peace.